Happy New Year, everyone. Jack Bosch here from the Dominican Republic. Here's how it looks out here. We're hanging out at the beach, actually at the pool right now, and getting ready for lunch, full of sunblock. But hey, that's what you do when you have fun here at the beach in the tropics. So, Happy New Year, and I want to quickly have a New Year's message for everyone, and that's new for you. And that New Year's message is, every year we set up a bunch of plans, right? We set up a bunch of plans. New Year's happens. Some of us get drunk, some of us don't, right? But either way, I didn't actually. Woke up just fresh as a flower. And the thing is, when we set up New Year's resolutions, there's a piece missing to those. And what's missing to them is the actual action piece. We go and say, like, I want to lose weight. Well, first of all, that's not concrete. It doesn't say exactly how much. And secondly, it's not attached to an action, and it's not attached to a reason why. Like, the reason why a lot of people, when they get married, before they get married, they lose a lot of weight, is because they have a reason why. They want to look their best on a certain date and be able to fit into a certain dress or suit or whatever it is, right? And that's the same thing. You got to do exactly that with any of your wishes. So if your goal is to make more money, first of all, you got to be specific about it. And secondly, how much more? I give you $1, you're done, right? First of all, you got to be specific about how much more. And secondly, you got to know the reason why. Why do you need to make more money, right? If you get by right now, there's very little emotional attachment, emotional juice behind that wish. So you make $500 more, you get a raise, and then you're like, your mind tells you, okay, sorry, there's a bar right here on the other side where they decided to just do a mojito or something like that. So anyway, you get a raise, and all of a sudden your subconscious, your mind says like, well, I made more money, let's do the same thing that we've done all along. Well, this is not how it works. You need to find a reason why. So part of the New Year's resolution is to take action and stack a bunch of reasons behind it. And by the way, that's exactly what we're doing at our live event. In our live event coming up January 18th to the 20th in Tampa, Florida, we are actually spending a little bit of time. It's a 90% teaching event. 10% is actually we're working on these things that I'm just talking to you about. We're spending every day a little time figuring out what is your goals and why do you want to meet those goals. And then we work with you on working out the action steps that you need to take in order to actually make that. And as a result of that, our live events are the most successful live events in the entire industry. Like, we have literally 20 to 30% of our attendees come already doing deals. And literally, the ones that leave the event go from 0 deals to 50 deals, from having 1 or 2 deals to like 100 deals in the next year. Why? Because in order to have a goal, you need to also, it's not just enough saying like, I want to do 100 deals this year. Well, in order to do 100 deals, what do you have to do? You got to break it down. You got to break it down into small action steps that everyone can take, that you can take, and those action steps then are going to be backed with a reason why. Because when you get home from that event, or when you make a goal, is life going to throw you some obstacles in the way? Yes, life always does, right? Life always does throw you some obstacles. And so in order to overcome those obstacles, it's the reason why, it's the motivation behind it, it's the purpose of why you want to accomplish what you want to accomplish. That is what's going to push you through. So at our live event, we're going to teach you all the pieces on how exactly to do this. But if you don't know why you're going to go out there and do it, and what's the reason that is actually going to get you through those hard times, through those times when perhaps you're sick, through when the little one is sick, when you're tired from work and you don't have the energy to go do an hour or 2 hours to send out more letters, to make some more offers, to put up that listing or so. If you don't have that, you're going to fail. Like, you're going to fail like everyone out there fails, and most everyone fails at most everything they do. But if you have those pieces, you're going to be successful. And we have example after example after example in our Facebook group, and most importantly at our live events, that are literally there, coming to the 5th time, because they know just how much difference the live event makes to them. So come sign up for the live event. Call us at 602-712-0182. I'm gonna put it into the first comment below this video, and come and join us and be there and start the year the right way, not just with more knowledge, but with the exact game plan of how to get to where you want to get to. All right, see you there. Greetings from the Dominican Republic. Bye-bye.